Good morning! I decided this is impromptu, no plan of vlogging, but then I decided to vlog about it because this is going to be entitled A Day in My Life. Kasi this is going to be a very busy day. So this morning, I dropped off na my husband to the office. And me, I'm going to the embassy because there's this Philcom activity which I'm going to cover for TFC. So 9 a.m. yon. So on the way kami, that's in Menteng. And then at 5:30 p.m. there's a Philippine basketball community event naman. It's their championship. It's the Ambassadors Cup. So I'll be there to cover the event for TFC again. And at 7:30 p.m. there's going to be dinner. Ito personal na to. Dinner with me and my husband and our friends here in Jakarta. Our family and friends. They're considered as family na. So that's why a day in my life tayo dito sa Jakarta. So you'll see. Let's go to the first event of the day sa embassy.
Jacqueline, Ricky, our new Indofil.
And he's Nadina and Ricky.
So, the weather is
It's about to start. I think dapat 9 o'clock. So, yeah, we're waiting for them to settle down and start.
And we call it an retirement. So there is that plan already where any nationalities can come to Indonesia, provided that you can show proof of funds that you're getting it from.
That's correct what was mentioned by Anthony, that the government had issued a new visa policy. We call it the golden visa policy issued by President Obama. It's meant that we have to work hard to increase the economic growth.
A few moments later.
I've just arrived home. So, I'll just rest for a while. Pagkatapos, bibihis tayo because I'm going to the 5:30 event. Yun yung PBC, Philippine Basketball Community. And this year, hindi lang basta-basta basketball ang kanilang event. It's for family and friends din. So, meron silang mga snakes and ladders. May games sila for those who are watching, those who are attending. It's a family affair, basically. So, yun ang i-cover natin. Hindi lang siya exclusively the championship game. Kaya ayun, pahinga muna bago magbihis for another event. I'm off to my second event for the day. Pupunta tayo sa PBC, Philippine Basketball Community Event for their championship ng Ambassadors Cup. Kanina, nakatulog talaga ako. Like, sleep. So, I had a good rest. Kaya, let's go!
Oh yes, one of the best
Meron nga kami dito para sa bili pa rin ako ng ano ba? Chicken kay Jeff. Kasi may may chicken talaga.
Hello! Uy, ganda ng mic natin ngayon ah. Di ba, napakaganda ng ating laruan ngayon. Marami tayong guests na dito si ma'am ng TV Patrol. Ang delegasyon ng Embahada. Sir, sa inyo po, magandang hapon. Grupo ng ko sa lahat ng guest ng mga nanonood. Alam ko, hindi na kayo makapagantay, makapanood ng aksyon, bugbugan. Lagi na lang may bugbugan. Pero sa larangan ng sports, basketball.
Johan!
Ayan, nandito tayo sa games ngayon.
3 seconds!
Naku, matagal-tagal pala to.
2!
May finals pa sila later.
Sayang!
Orange ball, red? Blue ball.
I'll just switch it, don't worry. Actually, yeah, let's just move it here. Let's switch place, let's switch place.
More moments later.
Pauwi na muna ako. Medyo gabi na, but I still need to go and have dinner with our friends here in Jakarta. Actually, di ko na tinapos yung championship game. So I asked na lang. I got a lot of photos and videos. I asked na lang the chairman to give me a few clips and the championship, the photo of the champions later. Kaya, because I promised to attend a dinner. Kaya, ayun, pasensya na. I need to go home and change clothes muna and get my gifts for them. Sobrang dark dito sa sasakyan. So, anyway, see you later. Had a quick change lang. Ito, naka-red na ako. And I'm now going out to meet my friends. Because my husband is waiting for me. Wow, very nice. Reservasi Ibuyani. Lantai 2. Very nice. Nice, lucu-lucu. Very nice. And then we go up the stairs. They're up there.
Cheers!
The Justice League will be done in 18 months.
We'll have a reunion of sorts.